Good morning, dear children. Today we'll read the third chapter of your textbook, that is Hasmina's Butterfly. It's a very good chapter. It is about a girl, Hasmina, and a beautiful butterfly. So, before reading the chapter, let's try to find out the answer of these questions. What makes a butterfly attractive? Have you ever tried catching a butterfly? Why did you want to catch it? What did you do to it? Now, these are the few questions which always come in our mind, right? So, we will find the answers to these questions in this chapter. Let's read the new words first. Creature, animal. Creature is animal. Fluttered, flapped wings quickly and lightly. Beta, you must have seen the birds flapping wings. So, this is fluttered. Teemed, be full of, means bhara hua. Teemed. Streamed, came flowing through. The thing which comes flowing through means through the water or something else which comes flowing through. Sheen, shine, heaved a sigh of relief, felt happy because something bad had not happened. When we are when we think about something that something bad is going to happen today, and somebody tells us that it hasn't happened, we heave a sigh of relief. Okay, we say thank God. Perched, sat on the edge of. Perched means to sit, to rest on the edge of something. Let's read the chapter together. Hasmina was sleeping in her bed and she was dreaming that she had won the hockey match in the inter-school competition. And she was about to receive the trophy when the alarm rang. Now, बच्चे Hasmina was sleeping in her bed and she was dreaming कि उसने स्कूल के इंटर स्कूल competition में she has won the hockey match and she was about to get the trophy. But Hasmina wasn't too happy to get up. Now Hasmina got up, but she was not unhappy. She ran straight to her study table. There, in an empty bottle, was the treasure. Now she ran to her study table, and there was a treasure in an empty bottle of jam. Now, what was that treasure, beta? Let's find out. A colorful little butterfly. Now, what was in the empty bottle of jam? A colorful little butterfly. How difficult it had been to catch it. It had kept flying away from her grasp. Okay, it was very difficult for Hasmina to catch the butterfly, but she got it, right? And she trapped it without a net also. She didn't use a net, she trapped it. And now it was going to be the part of a science project in school. Because she was doing a science project in school, which required that she has to submit the study of a living creature every month. मीन्स शी हैड टू सबमिट द स्टडी ऑफ अ लिविंग क्रिएचर. हर मंथ उसको एक लिविंग क्रिएचर की स्टडी सबमिट करनी है. तो ऑल द क्लासमेट्स वर ड्राइंग डायग्राम्स फ्रॉम देयर बुक्स and but Hasmina wanted to do something different. Okay, so that's why she caught a butterfly and she was about to present a living creature, this butterfly. Okay, she was going to present a living creature. Okay, she was presenting in a practical way, right? She was not drawing the diagrams. Hasmina loved the different colors of the wings on the butterfly, red, green and blue. You know, every one of you know, you have seen the butterfly. It has different beautiful colors. So they were red, green and blue colors, and how beautiful it looked when it fluttered its wings. जो अपने wings को flutter करती थी तो कितनी beautiful लगती थी वो. Now Hasmina had made a few holes in the cap of the bottle to let the air pass through. Now she had made few holes in the cap of the bottle. इसलिए क्योंकि होल्स किस लिए बनाए थे उसने, ताकि वो एयर उसमें पास होती रहे एंड इट विल नॉट बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द बटरफ्लाई टू ब्रीथ. एंड शी ऑल्सो एडेड सम लीव्स फॉर द बटरफ्लाई टू निबल ऑन. मतलब शी एडेड सम लीव्स ऑल्सो सो दैट शी कैन फीड ऑन इट. ओके, शी माइट हैव ट्रैप्ड द क्रिएचर बट शी केयर्ड फॉर इट. शी हैज़ ट्रैप द क्रिएचर. ओके, उसने उसको पकड़ा हुआ था, क्रिएचर को ट्रैप किया हुआ था, बट शी केयर्ड फॉर इट अ लॉट. Right? Now Hasmina dressed hurriedly and left for school because she was very curious that she would show this butterfly to her friends and her teacher. So she dressed up hurriedly and left for school. When she reached school, the gate wasn't open yet. Now she reached so early and the gate was also not opened yet. Okay, then she went straight away into her class. Okay, she didn't meet her friends and all. She went straight away to her class. She opened the window and placed the bottle on the windowsill. Now she placed the bottle on the windowsill means window के पास बिल्कुल उसने उसको रख दिया बॉटल को. द गोल्डन रेज ऑफ द सन स्ट्रीम्ड थ्रू द ग्लास ऑन द डेलिकेट विंग्स ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई. नाउ द गोल्डन रेज ऑफ द सन, जो रेज सन की जो रेज थी वो उसके ग्लास से वो फ्लो कर रही थी ऑन द डेलिकेट विंग्स. इट वॉज flowing through the delicate wings of the butterfly, and it was shining, and the wings were shining, right? Hasmina's butterfly looked simply gorgeous. अब वो बहुत gorgeous लग रही थी with the sunshine and with the golden rays of the sun. Even children from other classes came to see it. Now the children from all the classes came to see the butterfly. Now Hasmina's science teacher was very happy to see the project, that everyone could study a trapped butterfly so closely. Beta, teacher was very happy that she has brought a living being, living creature, right? So that everyone and it will be very easy for everyone to understand the project very easily. And Hasmina felt very proud of it. Okay, while going back home, she again took her favorite route. Because there was a favorite route, one of her favorite routes. It was Rashmi auntie's garden. When she went to school, she also went across the garden. And when she came back from school, she used the same route while coming back to school. Now Hasmina, there were so many insects and birds over there in the garden, Rashmi auntie's garden, and Hasmina felt like putting all the insects and she saw into the bottle. She thought that she could put all the insects in the bottle, but she checked that her butterfly also needed enough space, so it was not easy to collect all the insects and put in the bottle. That night, Hasmina suddenly woke up around midnight. Now that night, what happened, bache? Hasmina woke up in the midnight. She went to the study table and patted the lid of the bottle lightly. She quickly went to the study table and patted the lid of the bottle lightly. The butterfly did not move. Hasmina thought that it was asleep. She thought that she might be asleep, so that's why she's not moving. She shook the jar some more, but the butterfly remained still. She shook the jar very tightly, and but the butterfly remained still. Hasmina was worried. She splashed a little water into the jar. Now she splashed a little water. She splashed the water drops into the jar. The water seemed to help. Now what happened? The butterfly shivered a little. Okay, वो water के splashes से थोड़ा सा move करने लग गई. Hasmina heaved a sigh of relief. Now she heaved a sigh of relief that the butterfly is okay. Sitting on her bed, she stared at the jar for a long time. Now she sat on the bed and she stared at the jar for a long time. Now, as she was staring at the bottle, she got up, picked the bottle, and went near the window. The air outside was so fresh and cool, and she opened the lid of the bottle and shook it gently. उसने थोड़ा सा shake किया bottle को. The butterfly started to move, but slowly, as if waking from a deep sleep. वो ऐसे move कर रही थी जैसे वो बहुत deep sleep से अभी wake हुई हो, जागी हो, right? It perched itself on the edge of the bottle. वो bottle के edge पे अपने आप को उसने रेस्ट के लिए बिठा लिया. वो रेस्ट करने लग गई एट द एज ऑफ द बॉटल. बिल्कुल एंड पे आ गई वो बॉटल के बाहर निकलने के लिए. इट वेटेड देयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ओके, द बटरफ्लाई वॉज वेटिंग देयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड हस्मीना ऑल्सो वेटेड. नाउ ऑल ऑफ अ सडन द बटरफ्लाई बिगैन टू फ्लटर इट्स विंग्स. अब वो अपने विंग्स को फ्लटर करना शुरू कर दिया उसने. द लाइट साउंड ऑफ द फ्लटरिंग विंग्स वॉज लाइक म्यूजिक टू हस्मीना. The fluttering of the butterfly was like a music to Hasmina. Suddenly there was a loud thud from the garden outside, and she turned towards the sound. Now there was suddenly a loud thud, means a loud sound from the garden, and she turned towards the sound to listen to it. A coconut had fallen from the tree. She saw that a coconut had fallen from the tree, and it was the sound of the coconut. When Hasmina looked at the jar again, she found the butterfly gone. When she looked at the jar, the butterfly was not there. She had flown away. and she sat staring at the empty bottle for a long time. She sat feeling little empty herself. She found himself also empty now, because she loved the butterfly so much and she was so busy with her all the time, that she felt that now she is alone. But she was happy that she had sent the butterfly back to where it belonged. And but she was happy that she had sent the butterfly where it was, from where it had come. So, bache, how did you like the lesson? I think it's quite good, right?